The Chord Hugo 2 has been a game changer since its release, a portable DAC and headphone amp that sets new expectations in its category. But not everyone needs the headphone amp or portability. Enter the Chord Qutest. The Chord Qutest is basically a Hugo 2 in a chassis that's meant to stay put. It costs 30% less than the Hugo 2, so if you're looking for a DAC for your home audio system, this is the type of piece you should consider. Chord is known for their unique designs, and the Qutest is no exception. It's relatively small compared to a typical piece of home audio equipment, and is housed in a solid machined aluminum case, providing great rigidity and isolation. If you've seen any of the other Chord DACs, you'll recognize the large glass circle on the top. It changes colors based on the sampling rate of the incoming signal. There are 11 colors in all, and though it may take some time to know what they all mean, we love the feature. To experience the ultra-high sample rates, we do recommend using a computer and the USB input. However, both coax inputs are capable of handling 384 kHz up to DSD 128, and even the optical input can accept 192 kHz up to DSD 64. You'll also find two smaller buttons on the front. The first allows you to change inputs. There are a number of digital inputs, including USB, two B and C inputs, and a toslink. You'll also find a mini USB connection for the external power supply, as well as some RCA outs. The second button on the front allows you to access some frequency shaping filters. This was one of the more popular features on the Hugo 2, so we're glad to see they included it on the Qutest. The filters add some flexibility and control for the user, allowing them to tweak the sound. We go into a bit more detail about these filters and what each one does in the written version of the review. So if you're interested, we recommend you check that out. We'll link to it in the description. The Qutest saves all your settings, so if it ever loses power, you won't have to set it all back up. Considering the customizations available on the device, this is a great feature. When it comes to build quality, the Qutest is top-notch. While many audio companies today opt to purchase off-the-shelf chips for their DACs, Chord designs their own. In fact, Chord controls the entire design and manufacturing process, with all major components being built in-house at their UK factory. Chord has managed to get the output stage of the Qutest down to only 5 total parts in the signal path, which is very impressive compared to some other high-performance DACs we've seen. They do this by utilizing a processing technology called FPGA, which they developed during the research and development of their $12,000 Dave DAC. It allows the Qutest to process 500 times faster than competing products and minimize the components in the signal path. They also use an advanced clocking system that is so accurate, jitter is almost non-existent. We tested the Qutest in a high-performance home audio setup consisting of a pair of Vandersteen 5s driven by an air acoustic stack. The Qutest has that classic British sound, signaled by near-perfect timing. Getting the rhythm and pacing right in digital products makes all the difference, and Chord nails it with the Qutest. The music pulls you in with a wide soundstage, deep bass, and effortless top end. You'll never get fatigued listening to the Qutest. Music just flows through it. All in all, it's easy to see why the Qutest is winning so many awards for the sound it produces. If you're interested in bringing your DAC with you or using it as a headphone amp as well, you may want to consider stepping up to the Hugo 2 for $700 more. If you're looking for a DAC for your home audio system and have a budget of $2,000, however, we think the Qutest is the best option out there. You can find the Qutest and the Hugo 2 in our Raleigh and Charlotte stores and on audioadvice.com. Links are in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.